room tour of 14752. Come in. We've been there a couple of days. I'm just going to show you what we have here. We have the light switch for the room and the thermostat, which we have it at 68 degrees right now. Turn those lights on so you can see it. The restroom, it's pretty big for this. It's an aft balcony, and as you can see, the throne, shower, and the actual shower has a seat. A seat in the shower, and then one of the hacks is when you open the door for the shower, instead of going in to turn the shower on, just reach your hand through there. If you reach your hand through here, you can turn the shower on right here, and that's the heat, cold or hot. And then they have the cubby on the side of the toilet, so you can use the cubby also. The towels are up top. Tray. Then they have other cubbies that's up top as well. Step out of the bathroom, there is a step up, so mind yourself when you walk up, you have to step up the shower. Full body mirror. And that's behind the mirror is shelving. That's the safe. And they put that in here because we had a bumpy night, and it kept bumping, so they put the towel or the washcloth in there to stop it. And you have two closet spaces. There, 4 cubbies. And we requested extra pillow. It comes with 2 pillows, but we requested extra pillow. And that's the animal towel for today. King size bed, 55-inch TV. You got some hooks to hang on. More storage space with a USB-C and a USB plug. Storage space. You got the phone, USB on both sides of the bed. Nice little mirror. Sorry. Nice little light. Art on the wall. There. Drawers. And then this is aft balcony, room 14752. Just a quick look at it.